say how we are working together.
And planning. Up-to-date geospatial data sets are fundamental.
To recognize my colleagues who have come all the way, come and attend this important meeting. Governor Mwangi wa Iria.
Maps. Your Excellency, this has been locally done. Our local teams have been able to deliver. Your Excellency, is a joint.
Billions of shillings in potential tax and revenue levies for both the national and county governments lies uncollected due to the challenges in identification and assessment process that require accurate and timely maps.
We had been speaking with the Commission on Revenue Allocation, CRA, and they work very closely with the county government, and one of the tasks they had been given is to look at a revenue management system.